Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is negative and interrogative. You will get the detailed explanation and also how to change negative and interrogative. You will get in this concept. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umaranu Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's learn how to change one sentence into negative. About a baby can swim. Here verb is can. Auxiliary, we have to see the auxiliary form. The T is hot, is. Ravi is sleeping, is. The boys are playing, are. Namita will return today, will. She must be Sila, must. Mantu has done a mistake, has. Babita may come here, may. When you are changing one sentence into negative, we have to put not in that sentence. So where you have to put? After auxiliary form. So a baby can swim, a baby cannot swim. Not will be added, but how it will be? As can is there, cannot will be written in such way. Okay, you can't write can not. We have to write closely. Cannot. A baby cannot swim. The T is not hot. Ravi is not sleeping. The boys are not playing. Namita will not return. She must be Sheila. She must not be Sheila. Here. Mantu has done, has not done. Babita may not come. Okay. After auxiliary verb, we put not to make the sentence into negative. Okay. To make the sentence negative. Let's learn how to change one sentence into negative where there is no auxiliary verb. You remember, where there is no auxiliary verb, we have to use the appropriate form of do. Do verbs. You have learned do verbs. Do verbs three kinds. One is do, another does, then did. We have to use the appropriate form of do verb, means do, does, did. Okay. As per the subject, as per the tense, we have to choose one. Do or does or did. Let's see. Kuna invited me. Here invited is the main verb. Rajesh has a red pen. Has. Main verb. The fire engine came late. Fire engine came late. Came is the verb. They often make noise. Make is the verb. Ozone layer keeps us safe. Keeps is the verb. The girl told a lie. Told is the verb. We have to change the sentence into negative. How to change? There is not any auxiliary verb. Because you learnt what? We have to use not after auxiliary verb. As there is no auxiliary verb, how to use? Let's see. Here invited. In invited, one do verb is there. What is the do verb? Which kind of do verb hiding in it? As it is a past form of verb, did is hiding in it. Okay. So we have to keep out did. You have to separate did from invite. When you separate did from invited, that will be invite, not invited. So change the sentence into negative. What will be? Kuna invited. What I told, as it is past, simple past, did is hiding in it. Do verb did. So did. Did not. Okay. Did not invite. Not invited. We write the base form of a verb. Invite. Did not invite me. Right? Rajesh has a red pen. Has is a what kind of verb? Have form of a verb. Have, has, had. So it is simple present. Rajesh has. Okay. So what will be? Rajesh. As has is there, does hiding in it. and its base form of verb have. So what will be? Does. When you separating does from has, then you have to write what? Have. Doesn't have. Rajesh does not have a red pen. The fire engine came late. Came, simple past. Come, came, come. This is simple past. So, which verb heading in it? Do, does, did. It is clear, it is obvious. Did is heading in it. Did plus come. Okay, it is did plus come. Did plus come, came. So, when you changing the sentence into negative, the fire engine did not come late. Okay, the fire engine did not. When you separating did from that form will be base form. Did not come. Did not come late. They often make a noise. Its negative form will be different. As often is used here, its negative form will be used. They often make a noise. They never make a noise. Okay? Negative form of often, opposite form of often, never. So it will be they never make a noise. The ozone layer keeps us safe. Keep is the verb, there s is added. So where s or es added, there does is hiding. So keep out does. The ozone layer does not keep us safe. Does not keep us safe. The girl told a lie. Told, told, past form, simple past. So which do verb is hiding? Did. The girl did not tell a lie. The girl did not tell a lie. When you are writing do, does or did, we have to write V1, not any another form. We have to write V1. V1 means without S or ES and also without past form. We have to write.